Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today, I would like to talk about Chainlink updates with my customer set. What's going on now, guys? I few times mentioned in previous videos. For me personally, Link, I don't know why. Maybe it's because some more accurate bots, more accurate soft from market makers. But this token almost all the time touch the levels so clear, right? And I don't know why, but even in a small time frame, it works so accurate with the FIB, with the levels, with order blocks, even with indicators zones also. I don't know why, but links, for me, it's good for trades because it's more predictable by levels. And I just opened it today, the chart, and you remember we tracked this FIB since 2022. This is absolutely the same FIB, and take a look where we stopped it. Exactly once again, till penny at 18 level by FIB, $8.16. Of course, it's on a Binance, but we analyze it on a Binance, determine the zones on the Binance, and we track this on a Binance. It's kind of weird because we just come back and close all this AQ lows, so we can delete it and sweep the liquidity of August 24. It's kind of weird. It's absolutely just mind-blowing, how they deliver the price just to sweep that lows. Maybe I don't understand the idea because I don't think so. Someone hold the futures position since August 24. That's why what the main purpose was to dump exactly to this. They can dump to sweep this stop losses, this stop losses, or this stop losses, but they dump and just to sweep this tiny wick. It's kind of weird. Maybe because of the spot, maybe because the soft just adjusted in settings of the market makers to some levels. And just we bounce it from $8.16. Of course, I'm not sure if anyone get a chance to buy the link on that price, because I heard someone has an issue with active stop loss or active limit orders. The Binance not working that time. I'm not traded at that time when we saw that dump, and it saved me deposit basically because I'm not lost the money. I made money with some local swing trades on the spot and some futures, but not a big amount of money because I've been out of monitor and I'm not get any notification. I just get a notification from some positions, here that log. I get a lot of notification that day, and I understand something happened in the market, and I open the chart and see, oh, BTC crash it down. So we dump it here, and this is absolutely the same zone. I still believe in new Link can hit a new all-time high. This is one of not so many tokens which I believe can hit, just because the community behind the Link pretty strong one. A lot of adoptions with the Link. So it's like some token which are not hype just because of marketing. If we compare, for example, I don't want to hate the Polkadot community, but DOT move just by community. So the people just shill all the time, and Link just deliver the real things around. And the investors, the partnership with the big guys, who stay behind the Link, I think they will put the price of the Link to new all-time high. And once again, guys, I don't think so the Link will hit over the $100 this cycle. I think the conservative one at 76.48. We tracked this FIB since 2022, and this FIB relevant we rejected at 38. For example, if we Link, it's not a low cap, it's one of the major tokens. And for example, the Sol already hit the new all-time high, XRP hit new all-time high, Ethereum around here, and Link just lagging. But I think Link and Avalanche, it's like underrated top tokens which still got a potential. I don't know and don't check the recent dump on the Cardano, but Cardano also I believe they will hit the new all-time high just because of marketing and Hoskinson. But Link and Avalanche, I think they will deliver because of the big guys behind. So the zones, once again, guys, if we go and close the 50% of this week, I will be not surprised if we will come back and really close the 50% of the week. And I will be not surprised if now the 50% will be exactly the close of the weekly, this gap. It's going to be just mind-blowing. A little bit lower, it's order block. So 1365 would be good to see, just to be honest. This one, maybe even the test of the buy line on the weekly 11 and 13, sorry. Daily, here, or we can drop to the buy line on the daily, it's 1441 and 1345. So this just mark this two blocks, right? Like potential buyback zone. If you want to accumulate link again, take profit now. It's 28.56. Exit line 32.21. This is it, and 32.21. It's over than this high. With a week, I guess we're gonna test the 0.5 level fee. So it's just a matter of time when. Can we drop once again to $8.16 and $4.74? Yes, of course, guys. Maybe it was the end of cycle and we just, this cycle will be extended in time for the next few years. And this cycle totally different than the previous ones. Guys, absolutely everything possible. You know, it looks like they just, if we invert scale, so consolidation, drop, just grab all liquidity. And now we can dump to 0.5 and dump under this low. So this is it. This is how it looks like, but we can't know the future. That's why we work only with possibilities. That's why 15, 14 and 13 cents and 13.45 more than real, I guess, to buy back link for the spot, for example. And the next zone of interest is 8 and 8.16 and 4.75. But you take a risk or not. So we can't know the future. That's why, guys, we build a plan. Let's take a look, by the way, on a weekly. Here, take profit now on a weekly 22.13, exit line 25. And I would like to check on a monthly, by the way. Monthly, we need to check the link USD. I hope there will be the data. Almost touch on the Binance monthly time frame. Monthly touch on the Binance USD, it was $7.59. If we check on the crypto, also almost touch it, 7.56. At 7.56, 59, maybe I will buy the link. Now I skip because my spot portfolio already formats, not so successful. Yes, a lot of tokens, almost all of them in losses and temporary losses. Many tokens I have a plan to out at break even if I get a chance, and some of them I will reduce my positions with the take profits. So that's why, guys, everything totally transparently, and I'm not shill you any to the moon targets, never shill it. So you remember since 2022 we work with realistic conservative targets, not so brightful, but it is what it is. So we can't control the market. We can only control our risk. This was a accumulation, we pump it. Now what we can see, the last accumulation was here, June 25, bounce it and land it back. Some news, maybe Bitcoin may keep on the legendary trader, Chainlink Bearish, strange, but $16 support could flip the downtrend. Maybe we will see. Maybe I don't think so. We're gonna hold at $17. I think we can drop a little bit lower to close this week. So now we're in the middle on the ADZ on a weekly. No accumulation based on direction indicator daily. This is accumulation. This is a good one. That's why for me personally, the same like with algo, I wish to see the algo at 16-15 cents, and I wish to see the link at 14 on 13.45. This one, no accumulation signal on direction. Got it. Global targets, you know, so I'm not repeat the same targets for global bull run targets. We just track where to buy again if we get a chance. Markets move. This is disbelief capitulation, good one. Here, take a look. Since top in August, from apheria, we dump it to the positive. So this is not like apheria. That's why I will be not surprised if the next week we will see the correction again before the Fed decision. probably they will cut the rates again. We can drop to $13, for example, and we'll be in this belief area. It's going to be a good one. It's going to be a good one. This is, by the way, playing out for a pretty good one, double bottom. Exactly, till penny. And the last, guys, indicators, 2, money, power, and trade on. Trade on. Sell was here in December. This was a buybacks, no signal to buy again or buy back daily. Guys, the problem, we didn't see the take profit signal. Let's add alert, take profit. Take profit from these sales, because here we need to see this signal. This was the last one. December, drop, take profit, buy, some consolidation. So yes, it's maybe took time. March 25, April, so 1 month. After that, you take profit in the buy, we consolidate, and after that, pump it. So just an average, if we count this one low and this one low, in average, we pump it like 119%. Nice one. Now, no signal to take profit. We need to firstly to see the take profit from this sale. So we need to close all short position. Even on the 12 time frame, there is no take profit was here, but after that, we see the signal to buy, recommendation, close position. So I wish to see on a daily take profit signal. And after that, we can talk about an uptrend. Last, guys, indicator, it's money, power. No money inflow yet. Unfortunately, the last money inflow, guys, was here in August 24. No money inflow monthly. Also, only fixations. It's kind of weird. I believe personally, so we will see the new all-time high for Link, but when? Hard to say. Daily, some whales accumulated. Some whales also can be in losses. That's why I wish to see some money inflow again around this block or this block. Futures position, guys, I will take a look at the buy line. After that, maybe I will take some futures position with the stop losses, of course. So zones and the price target I showed you. So let's track the link for the next 10 days, I guess, or 11 days this month. If you'd like to trade with my customer, Chris, I will show it in this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget your token. See you next time, guys.